giving purple room, which is my favorite color. Let's watch it out. It's a beautiful library to look at it. It's huge. Have the purple room where we are running robotics workshop, and you can see they're building the robot right there at the moment, and that's where we go. Phase of the building, they are building their robot right there. So they exactly know from scratch how their robot is. They are building their robot from scratch using instructions. So they exactly know how to build the robot. Yeah, it's working beautifully. Beautiful. Yes, come on. Or yeah, you go for the. Yeah, here we go. All right, there's a work.
So our robot will go to the crossing and it will stop for about maybe almost two seconds.
Yep.
And it will go forward just a bit.
Yep.
It will turn right 45 degrees.
Yep.
And it will go straight for a bit more and then turn 45 degrees again.
Yep.
It will come down here, stop.
Yep.
It will turn again.
Yep.
Like 45 degrees, I think.
Yep.
And it will go backwards.
Excellent. That's the first activity. Here we go. Good luck. Stop there. Yep. 45 degree. Yeah, it's going along. Yep, that's good. Wow, perfect. Have a clap. Well go from the another participant, and let's see the robots is doing turn 45, another 45, going along beautifully and park perfectly. Have a clap. Excellent. That's the way it is.